This is the answer key for practice 4A. The accessibility checker is an easy way to double check your accessibility work. There are some limitations. Do not rely on it. Use it as a guide. Also note, the Canvas accessibility checker periodically updates. So my accessibility checker results at this point of time may vary from your results. Let's run the accessibility checker. In the Rich Content Editor, select the Check Accessibility button. The first issue is color contrast. The Canvas accessibility checker wants me to change the color of my divider line. I used HTML code to create this line. The screen reader will read aloud separator line. The color isn't important. I will use Next to skip to the next issue. The next issue highlights the Zoom Room text. The accessibility checker describes the issue as adjacent links with the same URL should be a single link. Here I've hyperlinked the text Zoom Room and have provided the same URL below in a non-descriptive form. Basically, the Canvas accessibility checker suggests I provide this link once. If I select the checkbox Merge Links, the Zoom Room hyperlink will combine with the inaccessible link. At least Canvas is telling me these two links are the same. I will need to manually fix this because I want to make sure this Zoom Room link is properly formatted as an external link. I am going to uncheck Merge Links, and I am going to close the accessibility checker. I will need to manually fix this because I want to make sure the Zoom Room link is properly formatted as an external link. First, I'll delete the undescriptive Zoom Room link. We don't need duplicates of the same link. Then I am going to place my cursor at the text Zoom Room and hold down Command+K or Control+K. The Insert Link dialog box will appear. I see the title and target need to be set. Under Title, I will provide additional information used for class meetings and office hours. Then I will set Target as New Window. Select OK. I will run the accessibility checker again. The accessibility checker highlights the separator line again. I'm going to select Next to continue. Now I have to create an accessible table. I need to add a caption. I am going to cut and paste the title Non-Critical Parameters for Reef Aquarium Water above the table and paste into the caption. I'll select Apply to save my work. I am going to set the table header as header row. Select Apply. The accessibility checker still flags the separator divide as a color contrast issue. I know looking at it, it doesn't need to be addressed, so I am going to close the accessibility checker. Now I'm going to do a quick manual review because I'd like to triple check my work. This page needs headings. The alt text needs to be more descriptive. There is a group of text that should use the list style, perhaps the bullet list. Remember, the accessibility checker, any accessibility checker, is a great guide in creating accessible content. Make sure to manually review content as the accessibility checker has limitations. I just covered how to use the accessibility checker in Canvas Accessibility. Thanks for watching.